Good morning, the boss Anon. Anon, the big boss. Man, we were just there, but so far so good. I cannot complain. So far so good. Just um I'm just happy with this opportunity that the market is giving to me. At least I know this week is gonna be a good week after seeing this dump. The week is gonna be a good week. It's gonna be a refreshing one. So how about you? How is it going? I'm trying to look at some possible scalp before maybe looking at some long trade. But I think we still have some more downside before. Um, yeah, I think we still have some more downside to go before we go. But I think we're gonna get quick recovery. Maybe UK is going to give us good flavor. Yeah, yeah, you're right. You're right. The DOM is well. I'm mostly looking at Ethereum, you know, Ethereum, because Ethereum has come back to that psychological zone. Ethereum is now at an awesome zone, 4,000, 4,200. Of course, um, from what I'm seeing, maybe we might not have that the 2 days or couple of days. We might see Ethereum poof back up. I'm just gonna be looking at the volume and see how if I'm gonna be seeing more volume increasing, like okay, if then maybe I can jump in. But for now, the volume is not even that better. Yeah, I've been looking at Asta, but it's like Asta is showing some. Which message was held for review? Let me see. You want to see Ed die? Why you want to see Ed die? Don't like Ed? Ed, my friend, you don't like Ethereum? Oh boy. Okay. Um, I wanted to share share my thoughts, like my thoughts, why I think market is dumping. Like um, remember I mentioned about USD, the USD dominance, and I caution most of you that pay attention to what USD dominance is doing. And there was a video I made just about dominance, and I pointed that dominance is showing bullish on the 4 hours time frame, and dominance is showing bullish on the daily time frame. And if dominance is bullish on those time frames, then it's risky to look at Bitcoin, regardless of where Bitcoin is, or to want to start getting in altcoins for like long-term trades. Now, Ethereum at one point was gonna go to $4,000 because of you know most of the indicators had to catch up with each other. Like the way Ethereum price moves in the past, or the way it has moved in the past, whenever there is a massive pump, for that pump to continue, price must at least recover or retrace back to the 50-day moving average. That's the moving average that cools down price on any time, on every time frame. So when you see Ethereum holding around 4,200, 4,000, went right up to about 4,000, it's just telling me that Ethereum is going to decide where Ethereum want to go after the 50-day moving average is being hit. So, because like if we look right back then, price left that moving average from 2,600 price point, 500 even, yeah, 2,500, and ever since we haven't seen any retracement back to the moving average. So when price was moving sideways there, I mentioned that Ethereum was going to go there. But now, doesn't mean Ethereum is of like from here, we're going to see massive movement with Ethereum. Well, maybe not. Maybe that's going to be the case. But what I'm more concerned here is if we lose the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, then it might as well be over for Ethereum, because from there we're going to go to like to test the 100-day moving average, and if we've managed to fail, like not, if we fail to hold that moving average, then we might as well just drop down to the 200-day moving average. So that's how it moves: 50, 100, 200, 800. Then voila. So for now, it seems as if price is still struggling. But like no matter what happens, what I want to see for Ethereum today is price to close above the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. And if it closes below, then the next daily candle will retrace back to the 50-day moving average. So okay, if this day, like today, take us straight to 4,000 and we close around 4,000, then tomorrow will take us back to 4,200 or 200. Then maybe the next day drop down to 3,800 for Ethereum. Well, that's just what like my thoughts, my own thought, like my thesis on what might happen with Ethereum. Talking about Bitcoin, Bitcoin is playing a dangerous game here, in a sense that when I say when I say dangerous game, what I mean is Bitcoin is playing with people. Like it's not like it's playing with the mind of traders or investors, right? And the reason I say so is simple. After after the huge movement to the upside, let me not say huge movement because it took about let's say how many we like almost 14 days or 2 weeks for Bitcoin to get to about $118,000. And it took just about how many days? 1, 2, 3 days for Bitcoin to drop down to how many? Right down to $111,500. So, do you find this reasonable, or maybe there's something fishy going on here? Of course, there's something fishy going on here. You know, Bitcoin, if it holds this price point, I mean current price point, then it can still go up to my target, which is the 120,000 price point. However, if we lose this zone and trade below, let me just say, if we keep trading below $114,000 for Bitcoin, then we might be heading to the Bitcoin bear market. Yeah, and maybe we might see some money, rotate, or capital rotate back to altcoins. Maybe not. Whatever the situation is, I'm ready to trade it. I'm ready to DCA. I'm ready to accumulate as many as I can. But now, I want to stick with dominance a little bit here because, like, this is my recommendation here for anyone who is watching me and who want to take advantage of price action every now and then. Bitcoin is good. Like before, I spent so much time looking at Bitcoin, but after going deeper into in my research, I realized there's something that moves Bitcoin. What moves Bitcoin? What is that thing that moves Bitcoin or move the entire crypto market? Liquidity. The liquidity game, if you understand how the market maker play with it, like how they use it, then you're gonna know when it's time to get in and when it's time to stay away from the market. Because the way they pour in liquidity into the market is the same way they're gonna take it out of the market. Okay? And I'm talking about USD dominance. If you understand how to use USD dominance, then you're gonna save a lot of your time and a lot of your money. Okay, let me just give you guys one of the most easy, like the most easy way, or the way I use it. Let me not say the most easy way. Let me tell you guys how I use it. The same way I analyze my coins, my Bitcoin chart, the same way I analyze the USDT dominance chart, and I focus solely on the 4 hours, daily, and weekly time frame. Why? When I look at previous price action, I see that price dominance is respecting key levels, just like when you look at your TA, you're like, okay, based on previous price action, this asset is respecting key levels or key indicators like this or that. And if it is consistently doing that, then it means that that indicator is something you can trust, right? Or that asset is something you can trust. So looking at USD dominance, I'll tell you guys that I already knew that Bitcoin was gonna dump. I knew that, but I didn't know it's gonna like dump like this, like something like this huge zip to the downside. And from what I'm seeing, yeah, this might be like okay, this might be that pump that take Bitcoin to Valhalla again and altcoins to Valhalla, or this is that pump that end up dumping US dominance to let's say 4% or 3%. Okay, because if it drops to 3%, then we can say maybe we are back in the game. But what I'm seeing here is really it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. So I had to explain this. Um, yeah, I agree with you. You know, I agree with you. I agree with you. Unknown, unknown. I agree with you. Um, yeah, because you know exactly the dump was. I mean, I didn't expect it to happen like that. Like, whoop, So I'm a little bit skeptical. Yeah, but at the same time, I'm open-minded with and taking away my emotions. I don't want to bring in my emotions here, but I want to be realistic and focus on price action because I think the market makers might be onto something here. But the least you expect is when they react. They could have dumped the market on Sunday, on Friday, but they didn't do it. They trick, uh, allow people to get in because if we look at the price action on like let's see, let me say it on the 1 hour time frame. Oh. Yes. Let's go on the 50-minute time frame. Look at this 50-minute dump. Wow, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. So it's crazy. The divergence is crazy, man. It's crazy. But my eyes is on Ethereum. For some reasons, I'm just like Ethereum is gonna do something crazy. I'm avoiding to buy anything now. Avoiding to buy anything at this point in time. But I think Ethereum 4,000 was a jackpot. If I if I if I would have been that kind of a trader who place who place a buy order below price like um futures buy order. I don't want to you know like set up a futures trade buy orders on any asset, like maybe spot buy order, not futures, because what if your order is being filled, right? Then before you realize, boom. So I think we're gonna have a very good week for crypto. This week is gonna end well, very well. I believe so. So I wanna wait until I think let's see, would you in no time in the next 15 minutes or 40 minutes we're gonna experience a new candle on the 4 hours time frame. Well, this 4 hours candle can decide, but I think what I'm looking at currently, this 4 hours candle will be bullish more. It might recover, let me say some proportion, but the next 4 hours candle, which is going to take be around um towards the beginning of the US session, you know, it's going to dump us again. Yeah. So the next 4 hours is going to be crucial. I strongly believe the next 4 hours, based on what I'm seeing, might have some green candles, right? And then in my recover, let me see. Yeah, okay. It makes sense. It makes sense. Let me explain to you guys why I think the next candle is going to be bullish. If you understand TA, I think I don't understand TA perfectly. Alan, plug in the 5 day EMA. Now see where the 5 day EMA is, okay, and see where the current currently where price is on the 4. I'm talking about the 4 hours time frame. So if you look at it currently, you realize that the indicator is there should be pullback somehow on this time frame. Price cannot continue going down on the next candle. Well, it can go down a little bit, but the trend is going to be up. Why? Because there's imbalance already in the market on that time frame. So if I'm going to be trading on this time frame short term, then I'm going to be able to get out, let's say at around $4,300. Quick scalp. That's something I think is going to happen. Looking at that now, if I drop down to the 1 hour time frame, and let me see if I can confirm that. Um, the 1 hour time frame, yeah, the same flavor, yeah. But again, the 1 hour time frame is tricky because the next hour we can see Bitcoin drop. I mean, Ethereum drop down to, guys. I'm talking about Ethereum, not Bitcoin. I see Ethereum drop right down to 4,000 again. You see, so like, and the next 3 hours it take us to 4,300. I mean, it can happen like that, right? So I think I'm just gonna go with what Anon is saying, or what Anon said. Wait a little bit, to see how price is gonna form. There's no need to catch that move, right? Better to catch a move that you can continue. Like, you can continue with the move, without you being scared that maybe the market can just dump on you, like, reverse on you instantly. So yeah, I think what Anon mentioned is awesome. Yeah. Uh, I've seen such move with BTC recently, and after that, I see BTC pew, to the upside. But I don't know. Maybe this time is different. Mm. Oh, face a little bit tired. A little bit tired. Tired, tired, tired. Uh, I need to see multiple divergence on the. Oh. Mm. Let me just myself. Ah, ah, ah. I don't look at such coin, my friend. I don't look at such coins. Now I'm focusing on real coins, not such coins. I can look at such coins when Bitcoin is pumping, not when it's dumping. You know, my friend. I'm looking at coins that have real liquidity, not coins that are that doesn't have any real price action. If you have real coins that you want us to look at, not things that don't have any liquidity in it. How far have you gone with that? Keep finding. Keep finding the coins. You know, you find it and tire. It doesn't work like that, my friend. You know, since I've been looking for those coins, Bitcoin has left 16,000 to 100 and $20,000. You are still looking for that coin. You know, so which coin are you talking about? That is gonna be that coin. You know. You guys don't understand the game. You know, you don't understand the game. You don't understand the game of cryptocurrency. If you are not if you are not if you're not there when it was launched, if you didn't catch that the coin when it was launched, you didn't buy it during the ICO stage, then you want to buy it now and make money. Which money you want to make? Come on. If you want to make money from any meme coin or any shit coin, you have to catch that coin from the moment it was launched. If you don't have a bot to cash like a bot that has a lot of money on the Solana blockchain for such purpose, then you are wasting your time to come and like when there's a dip, like come on, look, you're gonna look at now it's time to buy. Which TA is telling you to buy, like which price action is telling you to buy that coin that time. No price action is telling you to go. You're gonna tell you to do that, you know, because there's nothing to tell like in terms of the price action. Nothing real on the chart to tell you, okay, all right, it's time to buy this. It's an investment play. It's a long-term investment play. So if you are investing in something like this, then you should be buying it when like okay. I mean, the coin that you're talking about. If you wanted to buy the coin, you would have bought it like let's say um, 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. Yeah, 3 weeks ago. You would have bought it 3 weeks ago. And who knows, by now you're making money. So go to the top 300 coins. Go and look for something there to invest in. Stop wasting your time on this crap, you know. So if you want to buy any coin now, Ethereum is a coin to buy. Ethereum is a coin to buy. Buy the coins that that has been doing well. Trade them. If you have money, buy for $1,000 at with a 2x leverage or 3x leverage, and before the week is over, you make $1,000 profit. Yeah, I mean that is predictable. That is something you can do, or like you can really do based on previous price action. Like also, which other coin again? Solana. Solana is just $200. But look at Solana. If you look at Solana currently, you say, okay, if I have to look at something to buy, maybe if I buy Solana for $1,000 with 5x leverage, 10%, 20% upward, how much is that? In a week, you do that consistently, you keep compounding. You don't make money more than that. The shit coin you keep wasting money on. I mean, that's my opinion. I mean, that's my opinion. I know there are people who make money, but there are people who have inside knowledge and have invested a lot of money in bots. You can make money. You can buy a meme coin one day, and someday you make money. You make some money. Doesn't mean that it's sustainable money. No. It doesn't mean it's money which is sustainable. You can like by mistakenly make this amount. Doesn't mean that it was based on a skill that you have. No, it wasn't based on any skill. It was just based on luck that day that you bought it at that time that it was going to pump. There wasn't any real TA or real analysis to back up that movement. Because if you go back there, you will not see any previous price action that will back up the next movement. So, my friend, if you want to make money in this game, then you have to learn the hard way. The hard way is not to chase, don't chase, coins because you are going to make money. Chase, like we are here to make money, yeah, but chase things that you know is like realistically you can make money. Like when the market is dumping like this, I don't see a reason why you be looking at such coins. Look at coins that you miss an opportunity to get in. Look at coins that has pumped like crazy, like pump fund has pumped like crazy. Look at, you say, okay, let me look at coin like Asta. So where is Asta? Hype. Where is hype? Where is like come on, man. Come on, Massa. Wow. I This dom took us. The reason why Asta, like, okay, there's something also that let me explain here about Asta and the dust. Maybe this is gonna throw more light to to when you look at Asta, look at Asta like hyper liquid, right? The same, almost the same concept, right? So now those who, like, when you look at that category, hyperliquid is the only, like the first and only dex which is like sex now. I mean, it's even more than like some centralized exchange. The interface, the UI is fantastic, and we haven't seen this like ever. Hyperliquid like is changing the game. In the future, we're going to see more people trading on Hyperliquid because that's the future. It's more of DEX. So Asta is trying to play that same game. And if Asta is trying to play that same game, you see big exchanges like Bybit, Binance, Bybit listing, Asta, then you can, already see that this comes with volume. If we look at, Asta alone is providing 27% of the volume so far. So if Asta alone has 27% of the volume, it means most of the trading is being done on Asta. Then we have Mexi, Gate.io, then Bybit before PancakeSwap. So this should tell you something, that Hyperliquid and Asta, because they are in the same category, can, like, Asta can continue to pump like that. So the category matters when you are looking at any new coin to buy in the market, and how investors or traders are relating to that category. Do they think is the future? So even if I'm buying Asta now, I will not be scared. I can DCA Asta now and still make money. If I have $1,000 and I say, okay, I want to invest in Asta, I can invest $1,000 in Asta on at the end I'll be in profit, even when price is dumping. Why? Because when you are investing in strong narrative like this, there's always a limit, there's always a ground level where you say, okay, now this is it. No more down, no more down. Let's keep going to the upside. And that point is the point that the market makers they don't want to lose money, because if they go down further, they will lose money. It's a game. Once you understand the game and understand the liquidity provider, how they react, when like at times most people think price is dropping because there are more buyers. No, price drop because there are more sellers in the market, not buyers. And most of the time when price is dropping, it's not because there's a whale out there who is buying that. No, the market makers are the one buying from those who are selling. So they are pushing price down to fill those orders. At the same time, they are liquidating people who are trading futures. And once they liquidate people who are trading futures, it's going to now cause the market effect. Like it's going to be dumped. Like let's say price is dumping, right? And there are people who actually are in long position. What happened? If they liquidate your long position, what happens? What it goes back to the market. Like everything is being done back to the market. Someone has to buy it for you. And who is going to pick it for you? The market makers. So if the market maker is not in your project, then you might have hard time, making money from that project. So there are certain levels that coins that have strength are going to bounce, and these levels are going to be based on previous levels, right? So if your coin has no history and is still lagging, and you're trading that coin instead of maybe gambling, like I think I see it as gambling, like if it has no, like let me say, like, if it's not that like Asta with huge volume, huge community, huge narrative, and huge everything, then you are gambling. And if you bring a coin like what my guy Simon just mentioned, there's nothing proprietary about that coin. It's not as if it is bread coin, mock coin, pop card. I mean, these are all coins that you can buy now. Like now, pop card. These are new coins you can buy now. They can easily go back to 2 billion, 5 billion, 10 billion cap. Yeah, pop card, mundeng, mock, pepe, bong. Because you think they already pump, it means they cannot go up for that. No, I mean, anyways. Yeah, that's the problem, Samuel. And that's the problem, and that's a good thing. Like you are one person. You are you. If that's working for you, then good and fine. Play the game. Go hard. But most people, it's not working for them. Most people might not be like you know, to just go there. So like I think most people lose money playing the game you're playing. Majority of the money that goes to the market makers are people who play the game you play. So if you are winning that game, then it means you are an exception of those who are playing that game and winning. But I bet you, anyone you teach this, that you try to bring into this based on this concept of what you are doing, are gonna lose money. Yeah, they're gonna lose money. Why? Because they don't know that like you have lost money before you found a way out in it. Maybe you have a lot of money to waste, but they don't have. So it's better to take them in a route that can really help them, not a route that you think is just get rich, like get, you know. So we're talking about sustainability. All of us gamble on meme coins. We can gamble. I can gamble on meme coin, but I cannot see the market dumping and I'm going to look for meme coins. No, because whenever the market is going to recover, I know what meme coins to buy. I know what meme coins to buy. I'm not going to go play the game to buy any new meme coin. No, I know if I have to buy a meme coin, I know which meme coin to buy. And if there's going to be a new meme coin to come in the future, let it come. Let it come and pump to whatever billion. The one is dumb. Then I see that the volume is coming back on board. I'm going to buy it and take it back up there. So it's a matter of, like, I'm trying to talk about playing safe, right? And playing safe means, like me, maybe you are there watching. Maybe you have your community. Good, fine. But my community, me, I'm not gonna like waste my time on meme coins that have no volume, no liquidity, and just because I want to buy Bitcoin afterward. There are so many coins I can use to buy Bitcoin. That's my game. I buy Bitcoin with trading altcoins. But do you play the game in a sustainable way, or it's because you think meme coins are there to make money? Like, you just think, okay, when you see any dip, it's an opportunity to buy. No, it doesn't work like that. If you make 5,000 today and lost 10,000 tomorrow, I mean, what kind of game are you playing? Yeah. So, yeah, you are right. The great project is not like, I'm not talking like there's, to me, maybe you don't get what I'm saying. To me, there's nothing as great project. I don't see anything as great project. What I see is this. Let me name it to you: liquidity, community, and sustainability. If a project, be it Hyperliquid, be it Asta, be it any coin, if they have enough liquidity in it and they are people, I mean, investors, traders trading it, it means I want to see it on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Bybit, OKX, name it. It means I want to see it somewhere there. So in that case, I know that because of this huge volume, there's high chances this coin can keep going up, 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 up. And there's also high chances that when it's coming down, it's going to respect those key areas to down, 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 down because of volume. That's the game. If that volume is corresponding to the amount of liquidity on board, and we see that the liquidity keep increasing, the cap keep increasing, and price keep respecting key levels after a huge pump, then you can go in for it. It doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter when you cash a coin. It doesn't matter whether the coin is the best coin or the best narrative. No, it doesn't matter. Provided that coin has those things that I mentioned. If it has those things I mentioned, then if you catch it anytime, you make money with it. If you catch it when it is 1 million cap, you make money with it. You catch it when it is 50 million cap, you're gonna make money. 1 billion, you're gonna make money. So it doesn't matter when you're gonna be involved in it. But if you rush into it because you wanna get in early and make money fast, most of the time you're gonna be losing that money. That's my thesis. Oops. I'm trying to get some steam. Ah. Oh, Asta is looking super bullish, on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm looking at liquidity here. I think we might see. Let me see something here. Well, that's the game. Coinbase, Binance are exit liquidity. That's the game. They won't kill the price. The thing is, I'm not holding Asta. That's the thing. I don't even like have any Asta. I missed my entry at 1.3 cent. I was sleeping and I didn't get my outlet when price got there. I missed it. I was supposed to buy it there because that was a golden pocket based on my TA, but I missed it there. So does it mean I'm gonna cry? No. I'm gonna be patient again to wait for the next entry, right? They're gonna be so much to do here to get the entry. But my idea getting the entry is not to like, okay, I want to get rich with Asta. No, I want to take advantage of price action anytime it present itself on that day. And as you mentioned, yeah, you buy Bitcoin. That's the game. The next 4 hours will will confirm my entry on multiple coins here. I mean, short-term entry. I'm waiting to see what will happen with Asia, with UK, because UK market is started already is active. So let me see whether UK is gonna take us. But I think UK is gonna take us to an extent to recover, at least take us to the 50-day moving average on all time frames. Yeah, Sunday evening, Sunday. Yeah, Sunday is good for short. I've noticed that Sunday is always good for shorts, but not most of the time. Just depends on what happens during the weekdays. If we experience a massive pump, then we might see Sundays dump. But if we see a massive dump, then Sundays might be the day you look for entry, for long entry. My lips is peeling. My lips is peeling. I think I should move to Dubai. Maybe I should move to Dubai. I there are a lot of traders in Dubai. A lot of them. Yeah, I mean, man. I mean, they say Africa is hot, but Dubai is like, well, let me not say like hellfire. As in, I've been to hellfire. Dubai is hot. Well, the USA, I don't like USA for that purpose because of, I think the taxing system is not good. Well, not all states, at least. Hmm. Or chaos can get into you if chaos like you. Oh, I think I should take like a 1 hour nap. Yeah, like a 1 hour nap before I wait for. I should be back here. Yeah, by 12. By 12, my time. Like that's gonna be in 1 hour 30 minutes time. Yeah, that's when I'm gonna start looking for that entry or exit. I feel a little bit tired. Just want to relax a little bit, like 1 hour. I woke up since 5 a.m. So you can imagine I've been up 5 a.m. like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, since 5 a.m. that I'm up. I slept at around I slept at around 1 p.m. like that. I think 1 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. Woke up 5 p.m. I need some sleep. Um, let me see the Bitcoin price action, and let me look at liquidity. Let me see. I think this is important. We look at this now. Bitcoin price action and liquidity. So let me dive into this quickly. Let me see. Where are we now? Okay, this is it. Big Daddy. Big Daddy. No, 112K is not a good range. It's if Bitcoin stays above 112,500, then it's a good range, right? So 110,000, sorry, 112,500 is a good range. That's that's what you should be looking at. Bitcoin at 112,500. Above that is bullish. Below that is bearish. Now, if price is gonna do what I think price might want to do, then this 4 hours candle now will close above $114,000. Yes, this 4 hours candle will close above $114,000. So yeah, I'm looking at that. And now what we are seeing on the lower time frame is divergence, low volume, building of contract to pump price to the upside. So I'm gonna wait until I see price reject 112,500 multiple times, then game on. Game on. My lips is spilling. You know why? Maybe because I haven't slept well. Yeah. So so um hmm yeah, because if we lost 112,000 dollars, we are going straight to 110, and from 110 it's possible we go to 105. That's what I don't want to happen. But currently on, excuse me, oh, I'm so tired. Let me show you something here. I think it's worth saying. So zooming out now, you see Look at where price came, rejected. Look at this zone in the past. Look, look, look. So price should hold that area. This box should be held. Anything closes below that level, oh boy, we are going down. So for this movement up, this upward trend to be sustainable, then let's get back up to this trend line quickly, very quick. Trump said, Trump always say, real quick, real quick, real quick. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin is gonna go. I think I should buy Bitcoin. Let me just set up a trade, a Bitcoin trade. My lips is peeling, guys. I don't know why, and it's making me uncomfortable. It's making me uncomfortable. Poof, 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 poof. Hmm. Nice. $111,000. Okay. Yeah, the 5 minutes on Bitcoin is looking good. It looks good because quick scalp to the. If I have to scalp now on Bitcoin, it's to take me to at least. Let me see how much it's gonna make me. 13,000 high leverage 400. Hmm, that could be a decent profit to make quickly. Quick scalp with high leverage. I want to short. I want to take a long trade, Bitcoin long trade on the 1 minute time frame. Anon. I want to take a short trade. But I think Bitcoin is onto something here. Yes, I'm in the trade. I might be wrong. I might be right. On the 1 minute time frame. um, yeah, I've seen a lot of such price action, so that's why I'm taking the trade. You know, I'm taking the trade right up to the 50 moving average on the on the 5 minute time frame. So it's a short scalp because any major movement downwards should at least get to the 50 moving average on the 5 minute time frame. So it's easy that way. Before we see any major dip, it has to happen. At least, you know, that style alone has has helped me in multiple occasions um to make some cash, you know, because this is US, so this is UK. UK should at least attempt something, do something after the huge dump on the 15 minutes time frame. US cannot, at least UK should stabilize the price a little bit, pretend as if it's going up, then dump it back in US. So I'm trying to, yeah, scalping. You can if you are not greedy on scalping, I agree with Samuel. If you're not greedy on like if you're not greedy scalping, wow, you can make really good money. If you respect those key areas, like I know price is gonna go to like after a massive dump, price always retraces to key moving averages like the 5 day moving average, and it happens on every time frame. So if the massive down was or took place on the 5 minutes time frame, at least retracement back to the to that moving average is something which is going to happen, you know. So after a massive dump on a good coin like Bitcoin, then why not retrace back to that moving average and then continue? That's how price should react, you know. But with some other coins, come on, price can just keep like as if we are going down the slope. So now I'm trading this range. I'm doing this range like small range like that. Boom, boom. I'm in and out. Bomb. Let me see. Yeah, bomb is fast. Bomb is really quick to recover on the 5 minutes time frame. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. I got your point. I got your point. I got your point now. It's easy to get it like to get that target quickly, but from these meme coins than Bitcoin. So Bitcoin will take time. Let me probably not the meme coin. From coins like Palm or other coins that have high volume, you know. Well, if you are swing trading altcoin and risky, Bitcoin is awesome to swing. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are awesome to swing. Oh man, I didn't see this move on Palm. This Palm, I would have caught this. Oh, I didn't see this Palm move. I didn't see this Palm move. It would have been an awesome short scalp trade for me. And on why you didn't share this with me? At least you would have shared this with me. Agoran is attempting the same thing. Agoran, the same thing. Hype, like the recovery with Hype was fantastic. Look at the way Hype recovered so fast. And Hype is like, okay, Hype has formed my divergence kind of like trading style, like what I want to see. Hype is doing it right now. So Hype is gonna pump. At least Hype is gonna pump somehow. Oh, sorry about that, my friend. Sorry about that. There are always an opportunity in the market. Always an opportunity. You know. Let me look at USD dominance. Let me see if say that it's giving us some good signals to. Yeah.
Rumors fly when he walks down the street. To baton crypto, everyone's beat. Chosen graphs in his golden mind. Fortunes made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital fly when he walks down the street. To baton crypto, Bitcoin boost. Chosen graphs in his golden stars. And the blockchain sky. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. To baton crypto, trust in the stars and the blockchain sky. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune is made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of
Guys, I'm gonna be back. I'll be back.
speak his name. While in fact with gains never shake.
I'll be back.
Portfolio perfectly weighted. Wheels and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet says markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dancing, pulling the strings. In the crypto world, he reigns like a king. Debate on crypto, king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend won't speak his name. I can meet a demon's call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with the view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with the view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up on my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that I can heal it all if you're patient and slow. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts me. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, you put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with the view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with the view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I get through this, life is a nuisance, God has no sense. I gotta be human, find a solution, not evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, you made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half finished. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break now. I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost in thoughts, pull you in. I miss the old you. We died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it up before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given heart, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. I roll a flush of bluff. You never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad. I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and find a way to explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Are you looking for? Are you on? Not to guess. I wasn't going to guess. I'm going to confirm. No, you won't see any pump form shot now. You won't see that. It won't happen now. At least not now. In like, let's say in an hour time. I think we still have one leg down for Bitcoin. You mean on pump? Let me see.
Morning sunshine lights the way, chasing clouds and doubts away.
I see what you're looking at now.
Meet us once we're here to stay. In a warmth we start the day. Coffee brewing in the air.
Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be any shot soon. The next 30 minutes or 1 hour. Like if I look at the 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frame, maybe the next 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can get something. Oh!
Through the days and through the night, midday brings her out so bright. In her glow, the world feels light. Every role made pure and right. With her voice, the heart ignites. Oh, read a
Yeah, that zone is there are some vectors there also. Pom pom pom. For now, for now, any coin which is not like detached from Bitcoin yet, like after this done, there's a coin that have detached from Bitcoin after this done. So they are doing. I see POM is attached to Bitcoin, so maybe Maybe. I like to say maybe. Yeah, but it's good to say maybe. You know.
She's a wonder, no disguise. Sparkle magic in her eyes. Every time she speaks a voice,
Man, I'm trying to get my strength back. I don't want to sleep, but I should rest anyway. Anyways, I don't want to.
Uncle Cubana whips it up all day. In the kitchen, he's got magic to display. Best soya simply melts away. Takes me to Flavor Town, no delay. Maryland nights light up the sky. Icons dishes make you wanna fly. Tech skills like blades, he's so spry. Soya spices and bites, he's the guy. Chef and coder, he's got no limit. Every bite keeps your spirits in it. A cuckoo banana making gold. In the kitchen in the code.
No, no, I came back. I came back from Dubai on Saturday.
In all the lands.
Saturday evening.
Soya grilling, steady hands.
I'm back in Sweden.
MD streets know his name. From data to dishes.
I'm not in Dubai.
Cubana brings the flame. Innovation is his claim. Chef and coder, he's got no limit. Every bite keeps your spirits in it. A Cubana making gold. In the kitchen in the code.
My stay in Dubai was short stay. I spent. I think that was I went to Dubai on Thursday, right? I told you guys on Wednesday I traveled to another city. On Thursday I went to Dubai. I came back on Saturday. Saturday night evening. Yeah.
Those dishes make you wanna fly. Tech skills like
Yeah, it was just short. I had a business to do in Dubai. I had to meet some people. So it was kind of like I have to go there. Yeah. It was I didn't plan for the meeting, it just happened. You know, I travel like that. When there's an opportunity like that, I go and I make my money come back, you know. Yeah. If someone says they want to see me to do business with me, I didn't plan to go to Dubai anyway. So if someone say, okay, I want to see you today, I want to talk to you today, I'm like, okay, fine, I'm coming to you. Why that you I'm gonna make money from you? If you can guarantee me that I'm gonna make money from you, I'm coming to meet you. I do such travels many times. And people will say they want to see you to know that you are a real person, right? What will I do? You have to go there, you know.
He's the best in all the land. Soya grilling, steady hands. It puzzles, master plans. Know his name. From data to dishes, always top game. Uncle Cubana brings the flame. Innovation is his claim. Chef and coder, he's got no limit. Every bite keeps your spirits in it. Uncle Cubana making gold. In the kitchen and with code.
Yeah. If all things goes well, I'm gonna go back again there. But Dubai is good. It's good. I wish everyone should go there and experience life there. I think I should be doing a video about my visit to Dubai. Someone almost camped me. He thought I was I was Da Vinci Jeremy. Thursday quiz night. Quiz night. See, my eyes are. You can see the one to fall. I think I need like 1 hour nap. I think it's not the right time. To me, I think it's not the right. Well, hmm, maybe. But I'll argue that you would have waited for. You would have waited for at least price to go to around the 50-day moving average on the 15 minutes time frame. At least. Oh, and Anon, your guy is tired. I need to go and lie a little bit. I have to lie a little bit. Yeah.
on crypto, everyone's beating charts and graphs in his golden mind. Fortune's made, he's one of a kind. Eyes on the prize in the digital dust. He never wavers in whom to trust. From Bitcoin booms to Ethereum high, he trades the stars in the blockchain sky. Debutant crypto king of the trade. In the world of coins, his fortune's made. With a click and a beat, he's ahead of the game. Whispers of his legend long speak his name. Wallet fat with gains never shaded. His portfolio perfectly weighted. Whales and minnows all in a line. Track his moves, wish they could align. Every tweet sends markets a spin, but he never lets the fear sink in. Algorithms dance, he's pulling the strings. In the crypto,
Man, I have to go now.
it's like a game.
I'll come back live. Let's communicate again. The next my next live, I want to talk about one coin. Yeah, I'm gonna share the coin anyways.